Hello creative friends and welcome back to another vlog. Today is a bit of a studio day vlog. I've got a order that's come in through my Not on the High Street store for our very first Christmas bauble order, so I want to make sure I'm packing that. I'm going to try and make my own custom tissue paper just to enhance the packaging of the products that go out. I've stopped a lot of the kind of product side of the business, but I do still have Christmas ceramic baubles, art prints and some stickers that I want to continue with for the time being. I really love packing and pulling things together and sending that kind of gift of inspiration out. I think it really inspires my art, and so that's why I thought I would do a bit of a studio day today to bring you along the journey with me, because I do want to show snippets here and there of behind the scenes and what inspires me, what inspires my art and how I bring it all together. I'm right in my own little cabin studio and still got a bit of work to do. It's not the kind of glamorous, as you can see. I've got lovely wires behind me here but I have a cool little corner that I'm really enjoying and feeling inspired by. I have plans for zhuzhing up the space. I've currently got my artwork on the wall here, which you'll see, and I want to try and make sure, and I've got a brand new notice board which I'm really excited about. I want to put some things up there like art and things to inspire, as well as some of my tools that I use on the day-to-day basis. But that is aside from the fact we need to pack this order that's come through and we need to package it in a lovely way, because it's just as important as the gift itself and I really want to improve in that area. So that is what I'm going to do today. I hope you enjoy. So I started doing the Christmas baubles about this time last year and really enjoyed putting some ideas together, printing them and taking them to a local fair market that I went to, and they sold really well. I do want to bring them back, but if I'm honest, I was quite surprised. I haven't looked at my Not on the High Street store for a while, because I've been making sure that I'm streamlining everything, that things are aligned and making sense. So I probably need to give that shop a little look at update, but not today, because today is a creative day in the studio. It's Saturday and I want to do the fun stuff that I get to do. I have a couple of these left. I do need to go through. Yeah, so this is the one that they have ordered. If you can see, it is a little Christmas tree, which I just think is gorgeous, and I love the gold ribbon for thread, perfect for hanging, whether it's on your tree or I found a place to hang this. You can hang it in your bedroom, on your notice board. I've got a few here which, yeah, I might keep one for myself and do that, decorate the place at Christmas. Yeah, which I might do because I quite like this, so I might decorate the place at Christmas. But excited to be packing this today. Let's go and see how we can lift it up. I don't know if I have any thank you cards left, which is not ideal, so I may need to make them. And I don't know how much time I've got, so I might just go and make them. I probably won't feature that in the vlog, but I'll come back and give you an update and you can chill with me while I pack the order. Oh my gosh, it worked. I have just printed my very own custom packaging paper. This looks really light, so I don't know if it comes across as much on the camera. And there is a little line of black dots down the middle because I was testing this and I tried a few different settings, but I think I found the right setting. So I'm really excited. I can package this order in my own custom prints. So now I just need to improvise and make some sort of business card or thank you card to pop in with the order. Okay, so I have finished designing the thank you cards. I've designed it in Canva because I just found it quick and easy, and yeah, fast. I just enjoy working with it, so I've been designing away. I'm just about to print it. I've added some crop and bleed marks, so we'll see what comes out, and if this design works out really well and I like it, then I might look at getting bulk made, but at the moment I thought I would just have a go, keep costs low, try printing from home. I'm really hoping the colour comes out well because I've printed block colours before and maybe I've just rushed it. It just didn't feel like it came out as well as I'd like. Oh crap. So this is how they have turned out. I've put a bleed on it, it's quite thick, but I'm happy with that. I think the light, if I turn this big light on, it's going to make this camera flicker, so I'm going to go with this for now and cut them up, put the order together. It's ready for posting.